being detained for a theft investigation. I think we got all three detained.
And why was there a magnet in your pocket?
They said they had felony on the guy they took, so...
Okay, okay.
All this is down.
On April 19th, 2024, undercover officers at the premium outlets observed 3 women steal over $826 in merchandise from a True Religion store, using a magnetic tag removal device and distraction tactics. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, officers need only reasonable articulable suspicion for a stop. Here, direct observation of the theft exceeded that threshold. What officers possessed was full probable cause. When the officer stated, "You're being detained for a theft investigation," that triggered a Fourth Amendment seizure. A reasonable person in those circumstances would not have felt free to leave. Legally, they were not.
Yeah, they're coming from the food court.
Yeah, they're right there.
Okay. Let's make contact when they're heading out. All right. We're moving to contact. The one with the black shirt? I'm 10-12.
Hey.
Stand up, come in.
What happened? I don't have nothing.
Let's go.
I don't have anything, sir.
What do you mean you don't have anything?
I don't know. What else could you be grabbing me for?
Okay, you have this.
My phone? For
Ma'am,
what?
give me your phone.
Listen to him. You're being detained for a theft investigation. So just comply. Just comply. Just comply. You're being detained for a theft
Hang
investigation.
up the phone. I'm on the phone with my job.
Okay. It's hung up.
Go with him. I got her. I got her. You have ID on you?
Not in this bag. I don't think so, no.
In this bag, you don't have ID?
No, it's in the car.
In the car?
Yeah.
I got one.
Yeah. Blue and red. You're being detained for a theft investigation. Stop. Stop. Give me a moment. Alright, so we're about to find out. I think we got all three detained.
Yeah, let's go ahead. My car's out here. Where's your car at? Way on the other side? Okay, let's go up here to our car. Hey, Josh, that's 10-4. Meet me in front of the T-Mobile booth in the front.
She needs to be searched?
Yeah, all of them.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Those are your cups? Can you take them out?
I'm getting the bag off her wrist for now. Is that comfortable?
Take the bag off or no?
Step up here, you're gonna listen to the lawful directions.
Right. We're gonna lean up against the car, okay?
You see everybody?
Another like shirt and khaki shorts, putting back.
Alright, just hang up by the car. Stand up.
99 Fox Shop.
It's kind of hot.
Yeah, the car is
it's
stinging me. That's why I keep moving.
That's her property. I haven't checked that.
I gave it to the black man already. Oh.
No, she didn't have an ID, but she had this purse. I didn't check it.
Spot.
Yeah, they looked really sketchy.
Oh,
They
yeah.
got out of the car.
Oh,
That's okay. Guzman group text that they have felony charges. They need an approval real quick.
felony charge. What is
Yeah,
that?
I don't know. They said they had felony on the guy they took. So they
Okay.
need approval.
Okay.
All this is there. This one? You want it off?
No, these are my coach skills. These are mine. I came in tomorrow with these.
First, so the name is going to be Delta.
She wants to sit in with you guys. I'm gonna take the seatbelt off. If you guys can just all, it's gonna be a little uncomfortable, but she wants to do it.
Can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Please scratch your head. Oh my God. Can I just sit down a little bit?
Scratch?
Yes.
Alright. Put the windows down.
So
So
you
it's
guys
not-
put turn it if you want.
yeah, and I'll put the windows down.
The one that from earlier had 2 prior convictions. Just FYI. The guy that they caught earlier. That's why I was feeling it. Yeah, that's why I was feeling it. He had 2 priors.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask you a few questions. All I need is a verbal yes or no. Alright? So you have the right to remain silent, do you understand?
Yeah.
Anything you say may be used against you in court, do you understand?
Yeah.
Reading your rights, do you want to talk to me about today?
Do I want to what?
Do you want to answer some questions I have for you about today?
Other than what I asked you.
Huh?
Well, no, not that important. No.
So you don't wish to talk to me?
Huh?
So you don't wish to talk to
No.
me? Okay.
One suspect denied having anything. Officers disagreed. Under Chimel versus California, 1969, a search incident to a lawful arrest permits examining the person and area within immediate control. The search was constitutionally sound. Radio traffic revealed a 4th suspect, a male associate, taken into custody with felony charges and 2 prior convictions. Under recidivist statutes, prior convictions can significantly elevate sentencing ranges and bail. Officers read Miranda warnings to all 3 suspects. Suspects 1 and 2 immediately invoked the right to silence. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, that invocation must be honored, and the officers complied without hesitation. Suspect 3 negotiated. She wanted to hear the questions before deciding to answer. Under Berghuis versus Thompkins, 2010, agreeing to hear questions constitutes an implied waiver of Miranda rights for any statements that follow. When asked about the magnet in her pocket, Suspect 3 fell silent. That silence is constitutionally protected. Silence in response to a specific question after a partial waiver is not an admission of guilt. In total, the group stole more than $826, triggering felony grand theft retail. 2 suspects also faced a separate charge, possession of an anti-shoplifting device, reflecting premeditated, organized criminal conduct. At the time of this analysis, case disposition remains unknown. Given the dollar amount, coordinated conduct, specialized tools, and the associate's prior record, prosecutors had strong grounds for felony prosecution.
Speak to you first. Alright, so just ask you some questions. All I need is a yes or a no. Alright, you have the right to remain silent, do you understand?
Huh?
You have the right to remain silent, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Anything you say may be used against you in court, do you understand?
Yes.
You have the right to talk to your lawyer before and during questioning, do you understand?
Yes.
Alright, after reading your rights, do you want to speak to me about today?
No.
Okay.
You want her to get out and then we...
Yeah, everyone, I'll go on that side.
Okay.
Oh no. Alright, so So say anything to the other people. If the right to remain silent, you understand? I mean, verbal yes or no? Verbal yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Anything you say may be used against you in court, you understand?
Yes.
You have the right to talk to your lawyer before and during questioning, do you understand?
Yes.
So after reading your rights, do you wish to speak to me about today? There's a few questions I have. It's up to you.
You said you have a few
I
questions?
have a few questions.
Microphone on or off?
Huh?
Microphone on or off?
On. Yes or no? You don't want to talk to me?
You talking about before or after you ask the question?
Huh?
Before or after you ask
Whatever
the
you
question?
want to do. So if you want to hear my question, I'll ask you my question. You can choose to answer or not.
I want to hear a question.
So you agree to that?
Yeah.
Okay. So what'd you guys go to the store today for?
Nothing.
For nothing? Okay. So why are you here right now? And why was there a magnet in your pocket? You don't like my questions? Are you done with my questions? Okay. You sit back down.
Lesson: the right to remain silent is your most powerful protection in custody. Suspects 1 and 2 exercised it immediately and correctly. A clear no shuts down interrogation, no explanation required. Lesson: Suspect 3's attempt to hear questions first cost her Miranda protection. Once you engage with questioning, courts treat it as waiver. When uncertain, invoke silence and request a lawyer immediately. Lesson: coordinated theft is treated far more seriously than solo shoplifting. Acting as a group, one distracting, one removing tags, establishes conspiracy, elevating each participant's criminal exposure substantially. Lesson: carrying a magnetic detacher is itself a crime. Possession of an anti-shoplifting device with intent to use is a separate charge, independent of whether any theft succeeds. The tool alone establishes intent. Lesson: 4 officers observed the entire operation before a single word was spoken. By the time suspects were stopped, the evidence was already built. Surveillance is silent, thorough, and legally devastating. Undercover officers receive an A-, solid probable cause, correct Miranda procedure, and no use of force. The 3 suspects receive a D, organized, premeditated theft with 2 correct Miranda invocations that came far too late.